Nabunggo kami, guys. Binunggo kami nitong puti na sasakyan. Grabe, nakakapanlumo. Ang layo pala ng napuntahan niya. Hello. So, yung mata ko masakit. Nabunggo kami, guys. So, ayan. Buti na lang ito lang yung natamo namin. Kahit papano. Pero, malaki yung damage ng sasakyan. Binunggo kami nitong sasakyan na to. Ayan. So, nandito kami. Nakastop yan. So, mahaba yung pila kanina dito. Tapos, binunggo kami nitong puti na sasakyan sa likod. Tapos, tumama kami dito. So, ang laki ng damage sa harap. Paano kaya ito? Laki ng niya. Laki ng damage pa. Nagtutak. Nabasag din dito sa likod. Ito. Ayan. Yan si Kuya. Sana hindi niya kami takbuhan. Anong tatawagan natin, Ngay? Ha?
Wait lang.
Wasak na wasak. Ay. Pero buti na lang. Hindi kami na... Ay.
A few moments later.
Ngayon, so dumating na yung mga yung insurance. So, ayan. Buti na lang at may insurance kami. Ayan, si Jumar. Alright guys, so nandito na yung mga insurance personnel. So, ayan. Ito yung insurance namin. So, Chinese yung nakabangga sa amin, guys. So, nasa-sandwich kami sa gitna. Ayan. So, ayan si Papa. Feeling ko naman madaming pera yung Chinese na nakabangga sa amin. So, sana lang maayos agad yung sasakyan. Pero laki ng damage sa harap. Ay, laki ng damage sa harap, guys. Sige yan. Na pa siya, may nahulog pa. Malakis kasi yung mga sasakyan na nakabangga sa amin. Sasakyan namin yung maliit. So, yun. Alright, buti na lang at may insurance. So, wala kaming babayaran. So, yung nakabangga sa amin, lahat ang magbabayad. Yun yung sabi ng insurance personnel. So, ayun. Buti na lang at hindi kami na-disgrasya ng bonggang-bongga. So, ayan guys. Dito sila.
A few moments later.
So, ayan guys. Parang settled naman na. So, ito may mga kasama na yung nakabangga sa amin. May mga Chinese na siya na mga kasama. So, ayan. Yan yung nakaputi. Yun yung bumangga sa amin, guys. So, yung mata ko medyo may cut siya. May cut siya na maliit. So, ayun. Ito yung sasakyan na nasa unahan namin. Oh my gosh. Lot niya. It's a big. Yeah. There's. Yeah.
It's strong than
for us. Oh no.
Because your mom is fiber. This is not still. I think more fight and more น้ำคือจะบ่แตกเนาะ
Yeah, the lights no. It's just that out. Yeah, no noise. No damage. I think this one is from here also. Ito nahulog oh.
Yan ba?
Nandyan lang kayo.
Kung kaya ba yun? Kaya mo din eh.
Buti na lang malaki tong isa, hindi masyadong na ano. Sa amin. So, ang nangyari sa sasakyan namin. Ang layo mo. Nagustuhin talaga siya. Sa likod nga, hintayin natin sa likod. Grabe nakakapanlumo. Ang layo pala nang napuntahan niya. Shit. Ito konti nabasag din. Basag siya.
A few moments later.
So, nandito na kami sa repair shop, guys, sa Auto Specs. So, nadala na namin dito. So, ayan. Kasi yung may-ari nito is Filipino. So, panatag si Jumar na dito namin ipapaayos. So, pinapakot lang namin. Inaano lang namin yung quotation para mabigay namin ito sa insurance company. So, ayan. Ang laki ng damage niya, guys, pero thank God pa din kasi hindi kami nasaktan masyado, walang major na ano sa amin. So yun, ayan, so ito na ano, nayupik siya ba, hindi yata nila ito nakita, nayupik yung dito sa taas ko. So, konti lang siguro ito pati ito sa taas ng lupi. Hindi nila yan nakita. Parang na ano siya, umusod. Umusod. So, yan. Iiwan na namin itong sasakyan dito. Tapos, sasabihin na lang nila kami kung kailan kukunin.
A few moments later.
So, nandito na kami sa hospital. So, ipapacheck up ko lang yung mata ko para sure. Kasi medyo masakit siya. Pero feeling ko naman wala namang major damage. Ipacheck up lang natin kasi may insurance naman tayo. So, gamitin natin, guys. So, ayan. Kasama ko si Papa Jumar. So, iniwan namin si Mary kay Ate Sen. It's 4:30 na. So, hindi ko siya matawagan. Dahil ipapaiwan sana namin siya papaiwan sana namin si Mary kay Isay. Kasi hanggang 5 o'clock lang si Ate sa bahay. So, ayan. Pero let's try. So, ayan. Yung mata ko medyo namumula pa. Ano pa siya? Medyo red. Tapos dito, may sugat pala yung mata ko. medyo namamaga. Thank you, Lord. Hello guys, so kakatapos lang ng aking x-ray. So ngayon, hugasan daw nila yung aking sugat. So ayan, lilinisan nila yung aking sugat. At may dugo siya. Okay. Hello guys, so ayun, update lang. So in-x-ray nila ako kanina. In-x-ray nila yung aking mata. And also binigyan nila ako ng pain reliever na gamot. So sabi nila, inumin ko daw yun pag I feel pain. Pero tolerable naman yung pain niya. So, ayun, kinuha na lang namin yung gamot. And also, nilinisan nila yung sugat ko. Ayan, medyo mahapdi na lang siya. Yan. Pero, okay na kanina kasi sobrang red yung yung white part ng eye ko. So, ayun, thank you Lord pa din. So, thank you Lord talaga. Dahil walang major ba na nangyari sa amin ni Jumar. So, yun, konting lang siya, konting injury lang. And, yung sasakyan din, covered naman ang insurance. And, good na may insurance din yung nakabangga sa amin. And, okay din yung mga tao na nasa, kanina, nasa insidente. So, yun, good at walang nasaktan ba. So, ayun guys, uwi na kami. Kunin na namin si Merida.
A few moments later.
Hello guys, so nandito na kami sa bahay ngayon. Kasama na namin si Mary. And then,
I will talk first. Hi guys, welcome to the series. I just dying like this again.
Do it nicely,
The egg is here in my head. So I'll see like that. She's solo.
So do you know what happened to Mama and Papa a while ago?
Yes. The car is broken. And then we didn't take him off the car. But
Good thing guys na wala doon si Mary, hindi namin siya kasama. Because during that time, yun yung nap time niya. So nandito siya sa bahay. And during that time, pupunta kami ng magda-driving lesson sana ako. Kasi yun yung yun yung routine ko. So, tuturuan sana ako ni Jumar mag-driving lesson. So, papunta kami dun sa location kung saan ako magpa-practice, mag-drive, and then, yeah, that's what happened. So, yung lugar is malapit lang siya doon sa simbahan namin. And, yeah, so, hindi mo talaga akalain because during that time, yung nangyari is super bagal namin kasi yung nasa harap namin is mabagal din kasi parang crossing, pero malayo pa kami doon sa may crossing. So during that time, medyo mahaba yung pila, and then slow down siya kasi mayroong ding humps. Ayun, so just very suddenly na may tumama, may nakabangga sa likod, and then yeah, it happens.
She's sleeping and down. And Lucian is telling me I eat apple, Lucian, and then I eat only 2. But I say thank you to Lucian, but she didn't. But she showed to me, but Lucian didn't show to Luchu. But she's not yet ready to show to Luchu.
Not yet ready to share, sabi mo?
To Luchu.
Oh, it's okay because it's his decision. If you're not ready, then it's fine. People will gonna respect you, but you have to tell them nicely, okay? That you're not yet ready to share.
I have my cell phone, but I didn't help me to be egg. But the people understand me. But I'm English, but I'm loud. But I'm English and loud, but I'm itchy, but we are my best friend, but we is not in my school. Next time we will be there now, but
are in my
sure? In Casa Santa, and then we will move to Casa Santa. Because me, yes. But
same as you?
Yes. And then last night we are go to my classmate because He's beautiful. But she's beautiful. But me is beautiful also like Ria. But he's not wearing something so. He's wearing a dress.
So is that okay?
No.
Did the school allow you to wear dresses or instead of uniform?
Yes, that.
It should be uniform when you go to school?
Yes. When I sleep, we can wear dress, right?
Right. Or when you come home. Right? Okay. Let Mama talk muna nga rin.
And then, what happened next today? Next day, the wolf come out to the boy, and boy said, "Wolf, come, come!" And then the wolf didn't come. There's the wolf. Tick, tick. The dad go to save the boy.
Yeah, the people didn't believe the boy.
And
because
then
the boy is telling
the
lies.
wolf come out the belly of the boy. Why my wolf is very big? Wolf, wolf. Where's the wolf? They were not wolf, but they were not telling a lie.
Oh, the boy is telling a lie. That there's a wolf. Yeah? And then he shouted to the people. And then he shouted to the village people, no? He said, "Help! Help! There's a wolf! There's a wolf!" Sabi niya. But, what happened? And then the people get their, ano ba, yung mga farm materials nila, no? Farming materials. Like the shovel, something like that. Spoon.
Yeah?
And then, when they arrive to where the boy located, there's no wolf, right? And then the boy said, "Oh, I tricked you again," sabi niya. Ha? Ariko, sakit na nakamay ko.
And then, there was not, but my friend is not going to be there, but he's not going to be safe, but this day is going to be Friday now, right? And then baby will come out. Do you want to see my baby? That is my baby. So, why? That is my baby. And we teacher said, but that is my baby, baby. But she can catch in my dress now. But she's too small. But she cannot catch that. When she's too laway? No. But that is not my laway. But that is not my baby laway. But it's not. But that is not nice. And then the staff don't troll me but this game again. And tonight again. There's not going to go tonight again, right? But tonight is again, right? But they is not understand me. But she's always stop. And it's just go like this, shake and again, shake and again, and just laugh. And but stay. But it's gonna go. Say hi to the guys, Papa.
Hi guys.
I think that's what you do. But this nice thing is to sing this day. But this there, I want to eat it. 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 I'll just sniff in my, sniff in my, and again, and never.
Okay, now please tidy up your
She
toys.
sniffed me, but this